Hello, my name is Rebecca and I am the Bexa Boss Lady. Thank you so much for tuning into my channel today. This is a sponsored post by Home Chef and I am very excited to be partnering with them on some sponsored content to show how wonderful their products are and how much my husband and I have loved the ease of each and every one of their recipes. Now, I have a benefit for you for watching this video. If you want to try Home Chef, please check out the link in my bio and use Rebecca30 off to get your discount in your first box of $30 off. And I promise you, once you try it, you're gonna be hooked. Now, Aaron and I, who is my husband, have been trying very hard for budgeting purposes of 2019 to save as much money as we can. And in that process, we've worked on reducing our monthly bills. One of the things that we find that we spend a tremendous amount of money on are our groceries. We usually find recipes. I have a million recipe books around here, and we go out, we buy hundreds of dollars worth of ingredients to make the recipes. Half of the ingredients go bad because we didn't need all of that, and the other half we use for the recipes. Sometimes we like them, sometimes we don't. Sometimes we mess them up, honestly. And so it's very frustrating to spend all this money and have it go to waste. We've been using home delivery kits for a few months now, and Home Chef reached out to me to do this promotional post for them, and I was honestly very excited because I do believe that home kits are really, really beneficial. Not only do they save us money, but the food always tastes good. I think out of all of the recipes we've had, we've only had one that we didn't really care for. And they come, everything is fresh. It arrives right at your door. You don't even have to go to the grocery store. Well, that's not true. We do go to the grocery store for lunch items and other things like that, but I spend a lot less time there. When they arrive, when the box arrives at your door, all of the meals that you select online are in these little baggies which tell you exactly what they are. Now, you can pick from like 18 different recipes on the website. They all have different ingredients. If you have an allergy, my husband has a nut allergy, I can filter out those ingredients that have nuts, and then that way I can make sure I don't select those for our weekly recipes. We've tried home kits in the past, and previously we were not able to select anything for allergies, and so we stopped using them because of that. But now that we have the ability to, you know, weed out the recipes that contain almonds or pistachios, anything like that, it makes it much easier for us to be able to cook safe meals in our house for my husband. Now, you will get to pick your recipes. You can also add an extra portion. You can add lunch stuff. Our weekly routine is 4 meals. We get 4 meals, 2 portions per meal, and we go on and we pick them. So once you pick out your recipes, they are gonna come with recipe cards. Not only do you get all your ingredients, but you get all of the recipes on these big, beautiful cards. The cards come with everything that is in your bag or your box. The title, the nutritional process, nutritional ingredients, calories, protein, etc. The prep and cook time, how long it can stay in your fridge. So in this case, it's 5 days. The difficulty level, this recipe for the spinach artichoke is easy, and this is also a not spicy dish. So it will tell you the level of spice. Then you can flip your recipe card over and it actually tells you what you need. So if you need cooking spray, you need oil, salt and pepper, anything from your own cupboard that you will need to cook the recipe, which I have found is very minimal. Before you cook, things you need to do, like preheating your oven, soften the cream cheese. Those are all the things that you need to do before you start cooking. And you will also see whether you need bowls or pans or a fryer or a baking dish. Anything that we will need to cook those are right here on the list. So you can see that all the ingredients are broken down. All the steps are very easily described on these cards. So for this week, we have spinach artichoke chicken, prosciutto and sage linguine. We also have sausage and stuffed peppers, mushroom stuffed peppers, and chicken chimichangas. Now, we already did the prosciutto and sage linguine recipe. It was delicious. And I loved the butternut squash in it. It was just fantastic. Tonight we are going to try the chicken chimichangas, so we're gonna see how those go. And I think my husband might also cook the sausage and mushroom stuffed peppers so he can take them to lunch for the rest of the week. I said that they come in the bags with what is in there. If you open up the bags, you will be able to see exactly what is in here. There is green peppers, peppercini, so the little guy. There's mozzarella cheese and mushrooms. So the mozzarella cheese, the mushrooms, and the sauce comes right here in this little guy. So what you're gonna do is, this is something you can easily recycle, keep it around your house, put, you know, push pins in it, or beauty products, cotton balls, whatever you want. You can save this easily. And then what we do is whatever is left over, we put the garbage back in the bag and then just throw it in the trash, unless it's recyclable. But we find that that's pretty easy to do. Another thing that's really easy is some of the ingredients are pretty basic. So if you want to spice up the item or you want to put your own flair on it, you can definitely do that by, you know, just adding your own ingredients and making it your own. I'm a terrible cook, so I would never add my own ingredients to probably ruin the dish, but my husband has sometimes added like red pepper flakes or some garlic to the items just to give it a little bit of a different taste. Now, when you find your kit, you will see, well, first I want to tell you that I went online and I purchased this kit with a credit from Home Chef. And so no one physically picked any of these ingredients out and sent them to me. I ordered this stuff just like a regular customer. So I know people are always a little bit leery, like, well, they knew she was gonna do a video on this, so they sent her a special box. I just went on like a normal customer and did purchase the, and made like a normal purchase, but with a credit. So I want you to know that this is the way it will come to your house as well. Now, there's, like I said, there's 4 meals here. Everything is on the cards. It's really great because if you love one of these recipes, they have the punctures, like a 3-hole puncture already in them. You can make your own recipe book out of them and stick them right into it. So if you're gonna go to the grocery store and you really wanna make these sausage and mushroom stuffed peppers, you can check out the ingredients and they're all right here on the card. And I think that's a really great thing to be able to do so you can replicate them even at home. Now, for us, honestly, for 2 people with no children, for us, it makes a lot of sense. We have found that from a budget standpoint, that this is affordable for us because not only are we actually eating at home more, but we're eating healthier meals, and we're like I said, we're not going out to eat, which we would spend a lot more money because we live in the Washington, D.C. area and everything here is really expensive. So if you are interested in giving home stuff a try, which I definitely think you should, the link is in my bio. You get $30 off your first order with Rebecca 30 off. And hopefully you are interested in giving them a try. I love them, and I will definitely be posting more about this on my Instagram at Bexa Boss Lady and giving some more videos, hopefully, about what these taste like and look like after the fact. So thank you so much for watching. I appreciate it. If you like this or are interested in any more content, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and you can always check out my blog at www.bexabosslady.com. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.